Here's how to deactivate a Facebook page. Now you can see I'm on my iPhone as well as my Android. I'll walk you through the exact same steps on both devices, but I'll also walk you through it if you're on a computer as well. So the first thing we need to do is switch to managing as that page on your device. You can see on my iPhone and Android the menu button at the bottom right. However, if you see three lines at the top left, tap on those. Or if you're on a computer, just tap on the menu button or profile button at the top right. So after I've done that, I can manage as that page by tapping the drop down arrow at the top right. And then tap on your page, in my case, Trevor's Treats. And now that I'm managing as that page, we need to get to your settings yet again. So again, tap on the profile button at the bottom right, or it might be at the top left or top right for you. Scroll down from here and then tap on Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings at the top. After you've done that, scroll down again until you get to Your Information. Scroll down here. Under Your Information, tap on Access and Control. And then you'll be able to see Deactivate Page. This is temporary. This page will be disabled and its name and photos will be removed. You can reactivate the page at any time. So choose the Deactivate Page button and hit Continue. Now on here, you can tell them why. You can just say whatever you want. It doesn't matter, and hit Continue. And now it says you can always just save all of these and you can automatically reactivate in 7 days, or switch to Don't Reactivate Automatically and hit Continue. And now you can download everything, and if you're ready, tap the Continue button to deactivate that page. Keep in mind, of course, you can always reactivate it whenever you feel like it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.